Well, greetings, Business 10 students. This is Mr. Doucette. This is week number 6 in our 16-week course in Introduction to Business here at Norco College. And this week we're going to be looking at Chapter 9 on Production and Operations Management. And this chapter deals with really how stuff is made, the processes, and the quality assurances that go into how products are made. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here. And here I am on our homepage in Canvas. And I'm going to scroll down here. We're actually now in module number 3, which we started last week, or sorry, module number 2, which we started last week. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. And that should bring me into module 3. Now, last week, again, we started module 2. And we had a new discussion post that you started. We had a quiz on chapter 7. We had PowerPoint chapter 7, check-in assignment, homework, all that. As we move into week number 6, module number 2, you're going to have another check-in assignment with a few questions from chapter 9. You have a PowerPoint. You have a homework assignment where you're going to describe a production process. So this is really kind of interesting. I ask you to kind of consider how something is made, or really just anything, any kind of a process. It could be anything from the process of making a cake to the process of washing your car. So I just want you to think of a process that you experience, and ideally you do something at work, some kind of a process at work. Maybe you're a banker and you have to process customers. What is the steps to doing that? So I really want you to put it in a step-by-step format. Here's the steps you take: step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and to kind of describe the process. And the reason I want you to do this is because in business, everything is processes. Everything from what you make in manufacturing to how you intake a customer and satisfy the customer and leave with the sale, how you process the sale. There's all kinds of processes. So I want you to think about that. And it's a really simple homework assignment. It's really just looking at maybe a process that you do every day in your life. And then you're going to be continuing your discussion post number 2. This is a really great TED Talk by Dan Pink on how to motivate people. And it really kind of deals with the idea of intrinsic versus extrinsic motivators. So, is it external reward that motivates people, or is it internal motivations that really motivate people more? So it's kind of that dialogue or that question. And it really is a fascinating TED Talk. So make sure you watch that you answer the questions relevant to that, and that you comment on 2 other students' posts as well. And that'll give you the chance of getting the highest score that you can get. But that's pretty much it for week number 6. Let's see. Yeah, everything is pretty much graded in this class up to this point. So we move into week number 6, and then you have, I think, 3 more, or actually 2 more weeks, and then we're going to have spring break. So the next module ends in a couple of weeks, and then you have spring break. So get everything done before spring break so you don't have to worry about it. Other than that, that's it for this week. Let me know if you have any questions, concerns, or issues, and you can reach out to me during my office hours or just text me anytime, email me anytime, and I'll try and help you the best I can. If you need to meet with me in Zoom, probably be best to do that during my office hours or on campus. So have a great week, everybody. You'll